You are transforming a dataset by using Power Query and need to handle error values in the discount column. The solution must satisfy the following constraints. Replace any error in the discount column with a default value of 0.05. Retain every row in the dataset, and keep administrative effort to a minimum. What action should you perform within Power Query Editor? Option A, choose Replace Errors. Option B, modify the query using the Query Errors section. Option C, choose Remove Errors. Option D, choose Keep Errors. Let's think about how Power Query handles data cleaning and error management during transformations. When importing or transforming data, columns might contain error values due to type conversion failures or other issues. We often need strategies to deal with these errors without losing the surrounding data rows, ensuring our dataset remains complete and reliable for downstream analysis while minimizing manual steps. In my view, the correct answer is option A. Choose Replace Errors. To replace errors in a specific column with a default value while maintaining all rows and minimizing administrative effort, you should use the Replace Errors feature in Power Query Editor. By selecting the discount column and choosing Replace Errors, you can specify 0.05 as the replacement value for any error encountered. Let's look at why the other options are incorrect. Option C, Remove Errors, and Option D, Keep Errors, would filter out or isolate rows, which directly violates the requirement to maintain all rows of data in the dataset. Meanwhile, Option B does not provide the direct, low-effort, column-level error replacement capability that is needed for this scenario.